Hey guys, what's going on? So Brian's in the shop here, and he brought in this Mercedes to do an oil change on, and we can't get the hood open on this piece of crap. So we'll show you how to unstick the hood on. What kind of Mercedes is this?
2006.
2006 Mercedes W211 E350 base.
Hot dog version. All right, let's flip around and show you what's involved with this.
He's taking the cover down. He's got some 5/16 bolts.
I was gonna pop the hood with a crowbar, but he wouldn't let me near it.
Trust me, you don't want
There's some
Tony.
Phillips over here. Oh, there you go, 5/16 in there.
So what size are these? 5/16?
Yeah,
Yeah?
8 mils, yeah.
So we're taking all these little bolts out to get the splash guard down.
Speak.
Any mice?
We've got one side popped already, the driver's side, and the passenger side will not release yet.
So is there a cover we need to take out of here?
Yeah.
So I think that's a cover that we need to take out to expose
The cable?
the cable.
Okay. Hey. So Brian's going in there with this long freaking dentist tool. So that's the cover we need to remove, right?
Maybe.
So this is the cover we took off. That should expose the cable up in there, right?
And it does.
Okay. So yeah, you can see the cable right there, right on the right-hand side. There it goes. So you have to press up right there on that little latch, and that'll pop the hood. We just heard it pop. Below the card out, and we'll show you. We'll show you what's in there. So this is the latch that was sticky that we had an issue with. So we were under this cover. We were able to push that cable up that released this latch. This vehicle has a latch on this side, passenger side, and also one over on the driver's side. So if the driver's side is stuck, it'd probably be the same procedure to unstick it. So we're gonna hit these latches with some white lithium grease to free them up a little bit so that they don't stick.
We're just gonna pop this up. See if we can.
Yeah. Fell off the latch.
I know, but I think that I did that pulling down. You know what I mean? So the cable slipped out from the latch. So this rusty cable here slipped out. I put it back into position, but the cable needs to be replaced. So we're gonna put it back together as it is, and then I'll order new cables for it.
And we're gonna lube everything like Tony said with the white grease and see if that works for us.
Yeah, before the white grease, we're gonna use some PB Blaster though. And we sprayed some PB Blaster in here to help free it up a little bit. And to get Brian by for now before he orders the cables.
Brian took the bolts out of the cover up here, thinking we could get a little more room by pulling this off, and we were able to get it up and do it. So that's this thing.
And that's the hood open switch. And PB Blaster is a great product for something like this.
Yeah.
So use a lot of PB Blaster. Soak the PB Blaster.
That's pretty much how we get the hood open on this vehicle, and be the same on the other side if the driver's side was stuck down. Hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We'll reply back to you.